Today, we're diving into something fundamental in biology: variation. Have you ever wondered why no two people are exactly the same, even if they're siblings? Or why plants, animals, and all living beings show such amazing diversity? This is all thanks to variation, and today, we'll explore the fascinating roles of genes, alleles, and even mutations in creating this variety. Let's get started. Variation is the difference between individuals of the same species. These differences can arise due to genetic factors, environmental influences, or even a mix of both. In biology, we often say that phenotype, or the physical appearance of an organism, is the result of the interaction between genes and the environment. So, if two dogs inherit similar genes but grow up in very different environments, you'd likely see differences in their appearances, health, or even their personalities. Genes are segments of DNA that carry instructions for making proteins, which do most of the work in our cells. Now, every gene can have different forms, called alleles. For example, there's a gene for eye color, but different alleles determine whether you have blue, brown, or green eyes. There are two main causes of variation in a species: environmental factors, mutation. Environmental factors like diet, temperature, and lifestyle can lead to changes in an organism's phenotype. For instance, two identical plants might grow differently if one gets more sunlight than the other. Mutations are changes in the DNA sequence that can alter the function of a gene. This might lead to a new trait or even an entirely different protein. Sometimes mutations are harmless, but other times they can result in diseases or give an organism an advantage for survival. Now let's talk about causes of mutation. Sometimes it happens due to errors during cell division. Mistakes can happen when cells divide, causing changes in the DNA sequence. And times due to mutagens. Mutagens are external agents, like UV radiation or certain chemicals, that can cause mutations by directly altering DNA. These environmental factors can lead to variation in species by creating new genetic traits. So to wrap things up, variation in a species is influenced by genes, alleles, environmental factors, and mutations. Together, these elements create the wonderful diversity of life that we see around us. This genetic variation is crucial for evolution, helping species adapt to changes in their environment over time. Thanks for tuning into Biospeaks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the science of life. Have any questions about genes, alleles, or mutations? Drop them in the comments below.